I am at a very beautiful backyard installed by the wall, but before I talk to Rick, I'm going to talk to the homeowner, Don. And Don, this came out lovely. Are you really happy?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So how did this project start? Where was this before the project?
There was a wooden deck here in the area which needed to be replaced, and there was a lawn here that didn't quite grow, and then there was a sloped area that just came sloping down, and so it was not really conducive to using the backyard. So I didn't use the backyard that much.
Oh, and now I bet you can use it almost 12 months a year.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
That's
absolutely
great. And the different kind of textures are so nice. This is such a beautiful texture of the patio, and it goes so well with the house. Did they recommend it?
Actually, I picked out the stone before Rick McCutcheon got involved in actually doing all the work. So I just said to Rick, "Here's the stone."
So it's really a good partnership.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I couldn't have done it without Rick's group, and George in particular, one of the project managers there. And he was very helpful with creating a design aspect. And I had a vague notion what I wanted, and George knew what I wanted. So he recommended this echo chamber with the rocks, and so he got all involved in that. And then we added the retaining wall as a secondary issue, and then the fire pit over there, so fireplace over there. So it was really effective what he did.
It really all came together.
Yes, 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 and I couldn't have done it without his help.
Right, right. And so now I'm going to talk to the owner of the wall, Rick, and see about the project. Well, now I have to talk to Rick from the wall. So Rick, this was really a project that started and then it kind of kept going.
It sure did. Yeah, this is one of our classic, kind of restoration projects. As a backyard that was, had an old deck and just things weren't really working well. The lawn was, under a bunch of trees, wasn't growing well, and our client Don wanted a low maintenance, nice hardscape, and between his efforts and our efforts, we came up with a really nice backyard.
And really, I think your expertise is bringing it all together, because you have the client that has all these ideas, and then you guys know how to implement it, what kind of materials do well, and all that expertise.
Sure. Well, we've done a few, right?
Just
yeah.
a couple.
But yeah, the patio space was really nice with the tumbled stone, and then the basalt retaining walls and the fire pit, and we just made a nice area to enjoy also with the water feature.
But Rick, the wall isn't about just coming in and putting down this patio. You kind of go and look beyond that.
Yeah, sure. You have to have an idea of how things are going to flow and how the homeowner is going to use their backyard, and keep the maintenance down for them as well. And this flowed really nicely with a sitting area with our water feature, fire pit, and you had an unmanageable space here for with the slope. So we put in the retaining wall with the steps up to another level that can be easily maintained.
And it's more safe too.
For sure, absolutely. Yeah, you've got nice steps, nice pathway, very nice hardscape.
And you really work with other kind of contractors too, because you knew someone that does these beautiful fences.
Yeah, absolutely. Adrian's is one of our fencing partners that we really like him. So it's, we've been around a long time. We've got a good rapport with a lot of different contractors that can help our clients out.
Yeah, that is good. And so, we've seen so many of these beautiful restorations and rejuvenations of our backyards that we can use them so much more. So please go to gardentime.tv and you can click over to the wall and maybe call them for some restoration at your place. Thanks so much.
Thanks.